Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making crispy fried chicken KFC style. Guys, this is a new recipe and I hope you guys really try this one. It is so amazing. Your family and friends are going to love it. It is tasty, it is crunchy. Listen, this is KFC chicken homemade style, okay? Crave cook style. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Alright, so I would have already washed my chicken. Now I'm adding some yellow mustard, and you can use any kind of mustard of your choice. Dijon, honey, mustard, okay? These are the rest of my dry seasoning that I will be using. I'm whisking everything together. Make sure it is really well combined before I apply it to the chicken. So I'll go ahead and sprinkle some on top of the chicken. All right, and then I'll flip that around and sprinkle the rest of the seasoning. Make sure everything is well coated and seasoned, and we'll let this marinate for about 30 minutes. Or you can do it longer. All right, so now for us to make this amazing batter, guys, we will be using club soda. This is the key here to achieve that amazing crust. Yes, guys, do not forget to like this video and please share this video. It also helps my channel. Thank you guys so much. I'll be pouring the club soda into this mixture here to create the batter so we can have that amazing crunch. Make sure it is nice and smooth, just like that. Awesome, and this is our dredging flour. Guys, the list for the ingredients of this recipe will also be in the description box. So we'll take the batter we made earlier and we'll pour that right on top of the chicken, the seasoned chicken. All right, this would help the chicken to get that amazing crisp, that crunch. I believe this chicken actually looks better than KFC. Yeah, I believe so. All right, so now we'll go ahead, shake that excess batter off, and then we'll go ahead and flour this chicken. You can already see the crunch there on that chicken. All right, we'll go ahead and do this for the rest of our chicken here. And what is so amazing, guys, there is no buttermilk, there are no eggs in this mixture, and it is super delicious, crunchy, and amazing. We let that sit for about 10 minutes and then we'll head to the fryer. And now it's time for us to fry. So let's regulate our heat guys to about 290 to 210, but you keep regulating your stove. Guys, look at the crunch in this chicken. It is so amazing. I cannot emphasize enough how amazing this chicken is. OMG, super, just amazing. All right, so we go ahead and fry a few more pieces so you can see that all of the chicken I would have fried actually achieved this amazing crunch on the outside and it's so juicy on the inside. Absolutely amazing. Guys, I want to thank you all so much for spending the time with me today. And this is what it looks like. Please share this video. Thank you so much for doing so. And I would hope you guys really do make this recipe. Please tag me and let me know. I do also have a video with Buttermilk, the amazing southern fried chicken. If you haven't checked that one out, please go ahead and do so. The link will also be in this description box. All right, but this, guys, you just have to make this one also. It is so amazing. So you have options here. So thank you all so much again. See you guys in the next video. Do not forget to like, comment, share. Thank you. Bye-bye.